car, please. Oh my God, please. Oh my God. Green arm. Red arm. I got the green. Oh, I got
Right here under the thumb of a cold air, a calling from something that's out there.
Alright, you guys, here we are in Vancouver, Canada. We made it to the port here, which is only 1 minute away from our Airbnb. So I'm not sure if that's Radiance of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, if that's the exact boat. It's the only boat there so far. This is the Vancouver Convention Center on the left side. So let's go check this out. We're gonna be boarding pretty soon, about an hour. Yeah, I don't think that's Royal Caribbean. The back does not look like Royal Caribbean. Got those mountains with the snow caps on them. Oh yeah, that's a different liner. This is called Canada Place at the Port of Vancouver. Vancouver downtown is actually pretty big. We were kind of staying right where Chinatown was. So we're gonna stay right here and wait for our party to arrive. Alright guys, we'll see you inside. Alright, that's Vancouver right there, and we are approaching inside. Oh, this isn't the main entrance. This isn't the usual grand entrance.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Alright you guys, we are on board the ship, and our room is this way. Let's go check it out. 4059, which is right here. Yeah. Nice and cozy. That's me.
Guests are cautioned against renting personal watercraft.
And again, this is a 7-day cruise, and this looks like the itinerary right here.
Unfamiliar environments.
Oh yeah. After all the buffets, this is where I'm gonna be. Alright. And off to the buffet we go. This dad's.
I felt so refreshed. Water, just get one from there.
Oh, I got coffee too.
Yeah. Huh? Did you bring coffee?
Yeah, everyone wants coffee though. Man, put a lot of keys in here. pool deck. I'm gonna go up Take a look at the Vancouver skyline. This part of the skyline. It's about 60 degrees right now. Feels pretty good. We have a sky bar here. And here's the mountainside with the snow cap on top. And I think that's pretty cool. You see that barge over there? It's a Chevron floating gas station. Port of Vancouver. Alright, we're approaching the back of the boat. This is usually where they have the basketball courts and activities. Front of the ship. This is the front of that Euro dam. Check that out. That's where the helicopters are, right here. Oh, this is it. This is just the front of the boat. So it can only be in this area. I'm gonna go back up. They are turning. We're right.
Because I think about it.
Nothing. Portals?
Oh, scared.
Bye bye.
We are moving officially. Bye.
There's Holland, America.
They're
line.
waving at us. Bye. Oh, now the breeze feels so good. Oh, it feels so good. I don't feel good like that.
My hand's shaking. Comes a helicopter. Okay, you guys, here we are on the 5th floor. I'm going to take you guys to the shops. Between the elevators, or most elevators, they have this map of where everything is. Right now we're here where the red dot is. And we are going to go right here. Let's go. We got a Starbucks over here and pastries. This is called Shops of the Century. I'm not planning on buying anything. Actually, I am going to buy the ship. I usually buy the model ships on these cruises. You got your vintage luxury purses here, bags. Okay, there's a ship right there. Oh, the price is pretty decent. I thought this was going to be like 60 to 70 bucks. There you go, I'm going to get one of those. So this is about my 9th cruise, and I usually collect these as my memento cruise ships. Most of them are Royal Caribbean. Got some watches here too. Got your Invicta, G-Shocks. There's a jewelry store. Just make sure when you go on a cruise, whatever you buy, especially if it's thousands of dollars, make sure you declare it. We hear some people try to wear the jewelry and pretend they didn't buy it, but when you go through customs, good morning, if you're lying, you can get in trouble. So always declare whatever it is, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. Just as long as you declare it, you'll be fine. Look at this, 50% off ticket price. 50% off, sterling silver. Bling bling. Got your watches. Oh, 75% off the ticketed price. What you guys think? Oh, you know what? Let's go back to the back. I think that's where the theater is. I believe it's the Aurora Theater. Right now it's 8 o'clock, but it's really 8 o'clock in Los Angeles, California. But it's 7 o'clock over here. We're approaching Alaska. Oh, there's more shops here. Oh, this is the photo gallery. Check out where we're at right now. Still passing through some islands. Look at that view. Again, I'm pretty sure this little GoPro, the picture probably looks, those islands probably look far away, but it's pretty close. Got the snow-capped mountains in the background. Wow, okay. Hey, it's Rocky Balboa, Sylvester Stallone. People walking outside. It is kind of chilly right now. Alright, let's keep going. Get your souvenirs here. Oh, they have the GoPro 12 already? Wow. So you can buy some specific picture frames here before the Caribbean. Very cool. A little art gallery here. Alright, let's take you guys to the theater. Hope the voice is recording. Yes, it looks like it is. Because last time I went to Iceland, the volume and the microphone was not working. It looks like the Aurora Theater is closed. Or is it? See? Oh, it's open. Oh no, it's not. It's closed. Never mind. Okay, you know what? Let's go outside. See if we can catch some whales. Wow. You know, inside it's not bad because you're covered. The wind is kind of, you're protected from the wind up here, but when you're in the upper deck, when you're open up there, it's pretty cold. I say 50 degrees. But here it's comfortable. I'm just wearing a sweater. This is definitely a place to bring binoculars. We have two ourselves. Picture perfect. Look at that. It's like a picture frame, doesn't it?
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming.
Battery's running low.
I smell
Let's
your
start again.
breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under, one step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder, and the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something.
All right. You already know what's gonna happen. 7 times a night, baby. The casino here. It's gonna be a good time. Good time. Got the stuff here, baby. Oh, they even got some tables. Got the roulette going on. Minimum is $5? $1. Wow. Minimum is only $1. Look at this. It's a pretty good size.
They scan it.
The puff and puff. Oh, sure. Very nice size. Alright guys, gonna do this feature spin. Let's do it. Here we go. Get that jackpot, baby. Alright. We'll win 15. Yeah, that's right.
Pays $230.
That's right for the night.
Okay, good. Look, we made money.
Look at that 20,000. 100.
100. 100.
Cash out. There we go. Radiance of the Seas, ManaloSlots. Alright, good morning, you guys. We are going through the passageway toward Alaska. We are in Radiance of the Seas, Royal Caribbean, 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll take you on a tour. It's a bit chilly. Feels like it's about 50 degrees. So I'm going to take you all the way around. This is the beginning of day 2 of our 7-day cruise. My goodness, look at those mountains out there. We're right in the center of the propellers. Back of the ship. Wow. I'm telling you right now, this video does not show how great this view looks. Like back there in the mountains, it's not light, it's like still like a haze, a little bit of darkness. It's kind of eerie, but it looks nice.
Something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna rise and fly.
Come on, whales.
And leave the goals between the lines.
So some of my family members saw some orcas actually jumping out of the water yesterday around 6 p.m. 7 p.m. No, actually 6 p.m. sorry. So that's what I'm hoping to see as well. All right, let's keep walking.
Oh, that is why you are stuck between the lines. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, oh, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, oh, I'm gonna rise and fly and leave the gold between the lines.
Happy birthday, Sheila. Happy birthday to you.
I've never been down here before. It's pretty nice, especially when there's hardly any people here. It's still a pretty big, decent ship. It's a good size. In December, we're going to be doing an Oasis class ship, which is one of the bigger ones. I believe we're doing Icon of the Ship, or Icon of the Seas, not Royal Caribbean as well. This is one of my time dining here. Tonight's going to be formal night, so we got to dress up. But I think there's only one formal night out of 7 days. So there's a tugboat. Go to the upper deck. This is probably a good spot to watch some whales since you're lower to the ground level. Versus on the, this is the 4th floor, and the upper deck is the 11th and 12th. So this is actually a better spot. And again, you're covered. Oh, right above us are the lifeboats, you guys. Can't even realize it. Look how big they are. There's a propeller right there. Pretty big ships, or lifeboats. Alright, you guys. Gonna sign off here. Oh, this guy's following me. Oh, you want to be in the video, buddy? That guy, Jun Jun. Check him out. He's gonna be on video. Alright, YouTubers. You guys have a good day. Signing out.